Ayubowan. Have a nice day to you all. This is Pradeep from Electro Multicraft. Today I am bringing you an electric kettle made of stainless steel with a capacity of 3 liters, a power output of 2200 watts, and operating on 230 volts of electricity, which automatically turns off once the water is boiled. First of all, safety first. There are no brakes for electricity. However, there is a fault in this kettle. We are planning to find the faulty part, remove it, and repair it by bringing in new spare parts. You can also join with us to repair this electric kettle safely. Also, since this kettle is made of metal, make sure there are no electrical leakages. Always test for any electrical leakages before connecting it to the power supply. Moreover, for this kettle to automatically turn off once the water is heated, the lid must be kept closed. Thank you for watching the video.